Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right rectangle, 3x5 for tasks, 2x4 for quick notes. Clean the surface so adhesive holds, dust ruins grip. Peel back about 1/2 inch of the strip and press the corner down to set a hinge. Place the note at eye level for quick reads and group similar colors together so you can scan fast. Once done, label the top line with a verb, do, call, by, so the purpose is instantly obvious. You now build structure. Align rectangles in columns, rows, or a timeline so sequence emerges visually. Use arrows or write 1, 2, 3 to show order. Once you number, you reduce cognitive load. Color code by priority or category and stick related notes close enough to draw quick connections. Make the first line a short verb and then add specifics beneath. This helps you scan and act. If something shifts, move a note rather than rewrite the whole layout. You finish by solidifying the system. Once positions feel right, optionally tape a thin strip across rows to prevent lift. Photograph the board to archive and clear completed notes into a notebook or digital app. Make reviewing a 2-minute habit. Remove, update, or migrate items daily. If a note falls, inspect the surface and adhesive edge and consider humidity or oils. Repeel a clean edge or replace the note. One tip, press firmly for 5 seconds to ensure adhesion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.